Starting around 13 July 2023, Velo especially is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.73% in certainly most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely huge. Velo truly has a genuinely complete market cap of $20,407,625, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,748,046, which truly is genuinely huge. This really makes Velo truly positioning at 582 in the digital money market, which generally is genuinely huge. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo especially be somewhat worth in 2023 in a sort of huge manner? Is Velo in every way that really matters, wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite enormous manner? Will Velo cost essentially outperform its unsurpassed fundamentally high in a by and large significant manner? These most certainly are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost by and large is supposed to commonly cross a sort of normal value level of $0.003, the normal least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to generally be $0.003, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Besides, Velo can for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $0.004, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo value conjecture July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Velo basically is supposed to, in every practical sense, arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. The Velo cost could arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $0.003, with the very normal cost around $0.003, which really is genuinely critical. Velo value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Velo in every practical sense is supposed to be at around a truly least of $0.003 in a for the most part enormous manner. Velo cost can arrive at an essentially limit of $0.003, with the in every way that really matters normal cost of $0.003 in United States dollars, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Velo value figure September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Velo really is truly anticipated to arrive at a by and large normal cost of $0.003, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.003 and a sort of least of $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. Velo value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the greatest cost for Velo could generally stretch around $0.004 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in October 2023 explicitly is $0.003 with a typical cost of $0.003, showing that by and large is Velo an essentially wise venture, or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Velo value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the in every practical sense most extreme cost for Velo could sort of stretch around $0.004, or so they by and large thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 really is $0.003 with a truly normal cost of $0.003, or so they certainly thought. Velo value expectation December 2023. The cost for Velo in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.003 and $0.004, exhibiting that moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 fundamentally is $0.003 with a genuinely normal cost of $0.003 in a for the most part significant manner. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner, Velo extremely past value examination and the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto for the most part has been truly diminished by 0.68% in its certainly current worth, showing how on the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, What will Velo really be fundamentally worth in 2023? Which for the most part is very critical. Assuming we basically look at the truly current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down, exhibiting that Velo exceptionally past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been explicitly diminished by 0.68% in its truly current worth, showing how, assuming you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo generally be by in large worth in 2023? Which especially is very critical. Velo really is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The Velo really is down to nearly 7.67% in the very most recent 7 days. Or so they truly thought. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for sort of past, commonly couple of days. The coin could for the most part areas of strength, for have at the same time. We don't fundamentally feel that it would a productive resource in by and large present moment, or so they generally thought. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo sort of diminished by 56.874%, disposing of an incredible exceptionally normal amount of $0.004 from its sort of current worth, which for the most part shows that the Velo especially is down to nearly 7.67%. In the kind of most recent 7 days, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking, this unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be in every practical sense great for the most part purchase a valuable open door for essentially fast interest in a quite huge manner. The 90 days cost change generally is near 3.01%. And the cost especially coursed from a truly least exceptionally normal cost of $0.003 to really greatest genuinely normal cost of $0.003 in the kind of beyond 90 days, which for the most part is very critical. In absolute most recent 4 months Velo basically has shown a developing pattern in an all things considered enormous way. Accordingly, we in a real sense imagine that comparable pieces of the market fundamentally were very famous at that period, all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per the practically the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo explicitly is expanded from 4 months in a kind of enormous manner. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost. So Velo, value expectation December 2023. The cost for Velo in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.003 and $0.004, showing that besides, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 basically is $0.003 with a truly normal cost of $0.003 in an especially significant manner. The coin generally is up by 22.75% with the by and large greatest truly normal cost